In today's video, we are going to go over adding tuning policies or using the BACnet tuning.trio set of tuning policies for projects with an ASIC connector. This will work for projects with an ASIC and BACnet connector or just an ASIC connector. Um, we did a video on loading the BACnet tuning.trio policies in just a BACnet project. And we can use that same file and those same tuning policies, and we found that it works really good for the ASI or ASIC connector. There's just some editing that we need to do to the function group that the um, BACnet tuning.trio file loads into IntelliFront. So we see here we have no tuning policies in this project. We to load the file, we'll go to Folio Launch and hit the upload button, and then we're going to load the BACnet tuning.trio file. This will be uploaded to the ASI University site, so you can get that. Hit open and OK. So now we've actually loaded the file. Before we run the query to assign the policies, we need to edit a function group that was added. If we refresh here, we can see that there were 6 tuning policies added when we loaded that file. No points or connectors have these tuning policies applied because we have not run this query yet. So if we go to the apps menu to functions, we'll see that by loading that file, we've added a function group here. And because this has an ASI connector on it, we want to remove the BACnet conref. Okay, and this would be for all the points. And then we also want to move the BACnet reference here for the connector. This line here assigns tuning policies to the connectors. And we have BACnet connectors and ASI connectors on this project. But if we remove the BACnet con here, and we'll need to get rid of the capital C and put a small c here. So this would apply to any connector with the con tag, which the BACnet connectors and ASI connectors have. And then we want to remove the BACnet conref and the and here, like so. So you can hit backspace. Now backspace one more. Then we will go here, remove this, and then we would remove this line. And then we want to hit save. I like to refresh the screen just to be sure that that took. Okay. So now we can open back up Folio and we can run the fin assign con tuning. And if you've already run this query before, it would show up. If not, this is what you would type in, fin assign con tuning, and then you would hit enter. And it returns that I've applied the tuning policies to my connectors. Now this is just showing BACnet connectors, but we have also applied it to ASIC connectors, which I'll show you in DB Builder. So we can hit close. And if we go back to our apps menu, DB Builder, we can look now we have applied this tuning policy or this set of tuning policies. If I go to connectors and look at my ASIC connectors, and I look at the property editor, I can see that there is a con tuning ref here. Okay, and that all that was applied because I removed the backnet and just used the CONN or con tag. And then in backnet connectors, we've also applied that same policy. So that's how you add the backnet tuning.trio policies to projects with an ASIC connector. All right, that concludes the video.